Welcome to my half of a raised bed of hood strawberries, the best variety you can possibly eat. Check out all those berries. Yeah. Woohoo. However, I also have some pea pods that got planted in here. What I'm doing more aggressively this year than I've ever done is mulching to retain water in the soil, thereby reducing the amount of water that needs to get pumped onto everybody to get what they need to drink and grow and send down deep roots. And so I want to just show you what I've done system-wise here, and that is put this long stretch of really heavy gauge wire. It's just one piece. May have been part of a gate or a fence, don't know. It was something that I picked up from my Buy Nothing group. So put that in to be a trellis for the pea pods. And the pea pods are already pre-germinated, and I talk about that process in another video that I will link into the description. So what I've done is just come in here and interplanted the pea pods pretty close to the trellis and not super close to the strawberry plants. And the newer process of what I'm doing this year regarding the mulching is I'm really kicking up with lots of compost. So first step was getting the existing soil, getting that worked up and moistened, then planted the pre-germinated pea pods, then putting a bunch, this is not a bunch of compost, but I've left these exposed just to show you in the video, but I'll add a bunch more compost around these pea pod starts. Then on top of that compost, it's a big heavy layer of pine shavings. So this is going to really be great topper for keeping the moisture in the soil and reducing the amount of watering. How great is that? Happy gardening, happy planting, happy eating.